Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're doing Chinese takeout chicken wings. This one's a real simple recipe, but it's so delicious. It's unbelievable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 2 cups of brown sugar. And we'll take our brown sugar here. And then we're gonna take 2 cups of soy sauce. And I'm going to cheat. I'm going to pull this little lid off, make it easier to pour. That's our soy. Then we're going to take a little bit of garlic. The recipe calls for about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to put a little more because I like a little bit more. So that's good. Then we'll just mix this guy right up. Oh, does that smell delicious? We have our chicken wings already ready. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. Oh yeah. Alright, so the Orkin man just showed up, so we're going to take our wings. We're going to dump our marinade right over the top here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this guy, we're going to put it in the refrigerator, we're going to let it sit there for the next 24 hours, and then we'll get it out onto the grill. Alright guys, so we're out at the Weber gas grill. We decided to use this tonight for our chicken wings. They've been marinating for the last 24 hours. So one thing that I like to do on the gas grill is I take this canola oil and I like to just spray down the grates. It'll make cleanup a lot easier. All right, so we'll shut this thing down and we'll check on these guys. They're not going to take long to cook at all. All right, so these guys have been cooking for just a couple of minutes and I figured we'd give them a check. Oh, they are cooking great. We do want to cook these to an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. So when you're doing it on the grill, it's really a good idea to get your instant read thermometer and just keep an eye on them. (122 degrees). All right, so we're back inside the kitchen and our chicken wings hit an internal temperature of 165. So I figured time to pull them. Let's give them a shot. Wow. Boy, are those good. One might even say, simply amazing. That's probably the easiest marinade I've ever made. You just have to think in advance and slap these together and let them marinate for 24 hours. Boy, is that good. If you like what you see, guys, please click that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you can see what we're cooking next.